use this curry white. It's good to your body. You can use this to rub your body. No pimples, no stretch mark, no ifo, hair, no that. Curry white, my lovely fans.
If you don't have stretch mark, consider yourself lucky, but you might.
Snap your fingers, do your step. You can do it all by yourself. Baby girl, what's your name?
Hello beautiful people, hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Akimbule, and if you are new to my channel, I hope you like it here. Please make sure you subscribe to see more of my videos, to see more of this beautiful face. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Lizzie Akimbule. I post juicy girl talk, vlogs, beauty, feminine hygiene, makeup tutorial as well. Okay, makeup tutorial is on that beauty, but don't forget to subscribe and share this video with friends, because today we are sharing how to get rid of stretch mark 2023 update. You don't want to miss it. It is very educating, and I hope you share with friends, please. Also, follow me on Instagram. I am open for collaboration. I have been saying this in like 2 of my videos. I'm open for collaboration, and you don't want to follow me on Instagram. You don't want to send a DM. You don't want to email me. I'll be sharing tips with you, tricks with you, products I've used. I also created a DIY video on how to get rid of stretch mark. Please make sure you check it out. I'll leave the link in the description below. If you don't have stretch mark, consider yourself lucky. You still have to learn how to prevent this stretch mark, because it might appear during puberty, during weight gain, childbirth, pregnancy. People are always saying stretch marks are due to creams. It is not always the cream. It can be due to weight gain, weight loss, and some other things, including genetics. We have to keep searching for how to get rid of stretch mark practically every day. I have been there, I am still searching, and I won't stop searching. But now I am using all these products I'm about to share with you. I ordered some from Jumia, I got some from the store. You want to make sure you watch this video to the end, because I am sharing tips and products I have used to get rid of my stretch mark. They are gradually fading, but not completely. You just have to love yourself and develop that self-confidence. I know it is easier said than done. You can wear your armless, you can wear your bump shorts, your short jeans, show your laps, having body, giving body, because you are beautiful just the way you are. If you don't love yourself, nobody will love you more than you love yourself. You have stretch mark, you have to maintain it, which is what I am working on. You have to maintain this stretch mark so it will gradually fade. It doesn't just fade within 7 weeks. I know you have seen so many videos getting rid of stretch mark within 3 days. My sister, no be magic. Even this surgical process, the dermaroller and the rest, it won't fade within 3 days. Okay, so I want you to know some stretch marks are different. It depends on how long it has been on your body. Some are teeny yellowish stretch mark, bright stretch mark, white stretch mark, the new fresh stretch mark. My stretch marks, some are not new, some are black, some are darker than my body, some are red. So we'll be dealing with the red one, because the red ones are the new stretch marks, the red and white one. But the dark ones are like old stretch marks. The new ones, you can easily get rid of them and maintain them. Yes, it can be due to skin issue, but also genetics, weight gain, weight loss, and what you take inside reflects on the outside. If you don't take your vitamin E, your omega-3, you will have that dry body, and it will tend to break, which leads to stretch mark when your skin expands. So you lack vitamin E, make sure you get your vitamin E, you get your omega-3. Some stretch mark can appear red, darker than your skin tone, white. So that red stretch marks are new stretch marks. You want to make sure you don't scratch it when it itches you, because it tends to itch you. When you scratch it, it gets to expand and it becomes big and old stretch mark. Then it turns darker or lighter than your body. So I'll advise you to maintain that stretch mark instead of scratching it. I know you really want to itch it, but you make sure you don't itch it so it won't get bigger. The first product for getting rid of stretch mark is your vitamin E. You have to take your vitamin E and your omega-3, which is cod liver oil. I take mine as pills because I can't drink the oil fish, the cod liver oil. I take it as pills. So you can take yours as pills, and you make sure you take your vitamin E to produce collagen to your body. Aloe vera gel. If you have aloe vera gel in your house, you don't have to get this one. You can just use it to apply on your stretch mark. When it itches, you just apply your aloe vera gel. It helps. And also the cod liver oil helps your immune system. It helps your skin in general. It also helps your hair. It is very, very healthy. The next product I'll be showing you guys is the Vit Gold Body Scrub. I got mine from Jumia, so you can just get from Jumia or any store. The Vit Gold Cocoa Body Scrub. It helps to solve so many skin issues such as stretch marks, rashes, green vein. It is not advisable to use on your face. It is not advisable to use on sunburn, sensitive skin, injury. You can just use a coconut oil or your almond oil when using this Vit Gold, or your shea butter to mix. Always use on a wet skin, not on a dry skin. Coconut oil, your almond oil, your shea butter to mix with your Vit Gold, then use it to scrub your skin. I have a DIY video, please make sure you check it out. Collagen gives our skin support. Once we gain weight or we lose weight, the elastic of the collagen vibrants tend to stretch, which leaves stretch marks on our skin. So if you lack collagen, you just have to make sure you take the necessary things which I mentioned before: vitamin E, your cod liver oil, which is your omega-3 fish oil. The next product is Ayum oil. This is not a sponsored video, but I came across this page on Instagram. It is one of the #1 verified stretch mark products. It is approved, so I advise you guys to check it out. I've been using this product for more than 1 month and I have seen results. There are so many reviews on their Instagram page. It works because this product contains all the products I am mentioning in this video. It contains retinol, it contains oil, it contains so many vitamins and essential oils inside this Ayum oil. So you want to make sure you check it out. Guys, I am giving you guys the best because I can't keep this to myself. I just have to share. Before getting this product, I had doubts because it is not up to 5k. I was like, after spending 20k, 13k, 15k on stretch mark, will this 4-5 oil work? But then the man was like, try it, it will work. The next product is Demarula. I have tried this in one of my videos for stretch mark. It is like a teeny needle. You just have to move it on that part of your body you have the stretch mark, your lap. It actually works, but it takes time, and I don't like the fact that it leaves red scar on my body when I use it. Like little needle that pierce into your skin when using it to and fro. You just have to use it to massage your body, then apply your product or your oil to sink into your skin and sit on your skin. So Ayum oil works, but it takes time and it makes your body red, and I don't know, it makes your body red for like a period of time, then it goes back to normal. We all know puberty and pregnancy is one of the major causes of stretch marks, so you want to make sure you maintain this when you notice it. You want to make sure you use the right product and you don't use the wrong cream, like Fumbate, mixing Fumbate with your cream, or mixing some kind of Malato whitening oil that would increase that stretch mark.
Use this Carol White. It's good to your body. You can use this to rub your body. No pimples, no stretch mark, no ifo, hair, no that. White, my lovely fans.
So you want to make sure you use the right products to make it fade gradually. I'm not talking about 3 days action cream. No, you use the right essential oil, you take the right supplements. I'm talking about your vitamins to get rid of that stretch mark gradually. And you're going to thank yourself and you're going to love it when you see this process, when you see this result. This is the snake oil that contains scented products, but you can get the normal natural snake oil. The snake oil works. It fades injury like wounds. Guys, I have been seeing this everywhere. Retinol for stretch mark. Since it is inside Ayum oils, I had to like get it because I've been seeing so many reviews of retinol for stretch mark. Retinol helps to get rid of stretch mark. It also works for other skin issue, so you want to make sure you get this. I ordered this from Jumia. It helps to get rid of some other skin issues like red veins, cellulite. So you just want to grab yours. Don't forget, when using any of these products, you want to make sure you massage it into your body. Don't forget to scrub. When scrubbing, I'm talking about your body scrub and also body scrub. That body brush for brushing your body. I don't have any body brush right here, but I'll put a picture of that body brush on the screen for you guys to see what I'm talking about. To brush your back, to scrub that stretch mark so you can apply your products and it will sit into your skin. You can also use this brush for brushing jeans, this white brush, or the brown as your body brush to brush it and then apply your product so it will sit into your skin. You just have to go gently and apply this product. So guys, that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for sticking till now. I hope you find this video educating. I hope you find it entertaining. Please make sure you share with friends. Stay tuned for more video. If you are new to my channel, I hope you like it. Yes, subscribe to see more of this beautiful face. I post makeup tutorial, beauty, skincare, vlogs, so you don't want to miss it. And don't forget to share with friends, please. give the video a thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me. Feel free to send a DM on Instagram or an email to collaborate or work with me at lizzyakimbule@gmail.com. I am open for collaboration, and also send a DM on Instagram at lizzyakimbule for any question. You can also leave your comment below if you have any other idea or product you have tried for stretch mark and it really works. Feel free to leave a comment below. Leave a comment below for more video ideas. Feel free to ask questions. Hope to see you guys in more of my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in more of my videos. Bye.